Imagine having a personal study assistant built entirely with Python. Not ChatGPT, not a paid app, your own study assistant. This project can help students organize notes, save study materials, create tasks, manage deadlines, and keep everything in one place. For this version, it runs directly from the terminal, making it perfect for beginners who want to learn real Python projects without getting overwhelmed by complex interfaces. What I like about this project is that it combines multiple Python concepts into one practical application. You'll learn about variables, functions, loops, conditionals, lists, dictionaries, file handling, and how to store data permanently so it doesn't disappear when the program closes. Instead of building another calculator or random number generator, we're creating something people can actually use. And the best part? I'm going to break down every single line of code step by step. No copying and pasting without understanding, no skipping important concepts. By the end of this series, you'll know exactly how the entire project works and you'll be able to customize it yourself. The full source code will be released on my GitHub soon. Make sure you follow so you don't miss part 2, where we'll start building the study assistant from scratch using Python. My name is Peter Lightspeed, and this is another project from PLS Tech Company.